Brad Burnett from Data Ideology. I'm a principal architect here. I've been working in data, cloud, and AI spaces combined for about 19 years now. Uh, and the last five, I've spent pretty heavily in Snowflake, and just wanted to go over some common hang-ups that people run into when they're new to Snowflake. So, uh, have you ever tried to optimize a query and it gets faster, but only for you? I think the misconception here is that people think performance improvements are real when it was actually just cache in use. Um, and I want to show you that here. I've set my roles, warehouse database schema and stuff, checking that they're set correctly, they're good, forcing this to be true, even though it should already be true, using cache results. Setting a query tag, not super important, but and then I'm going to run this query. It's just the same query back to back. So run it once, run it twice. And I think what you'll see here, I've already pulled the query plans aside, is when you're benchmarking for performance, you're going to need to make sure that those caches are turned off, or you'll make the wrong call. You'll think you made a performance improvement when you didn't. And so that's the easiest way to do it is just turn caches off with that same query, but set this to false. And you should be good to go for your tuning. And I'll just show you here the outcome of those queries. So this is the first one. You can see it's got a lot going on. We have result, aggregate, filter step, table scan, and you can see some other details over here about that. And then we jump over to the second query, and look, it only uses query result reuse. That's it, 100%, snatches it immediately back. So just to show you guys that's what's happening there. So if this were a larger query, it might look like it ran for 3 minutes the first time and only 10 seconds the second time. After you've made some changes to the query that were immaterial, and seen the same way by the Snowflake optimizer between both queries, and you'll think that they're performance improvements. So I think the key takeaway here is if you're having suspiciously instant results from a query when performance testing, it might be cached, not your optimization. And if your team has any issues with this, we can set up a clean benchmarking playbook so the decisions you make about your code are clear and real and really result in actual performance improvements. Thanks, guys. Catch you next time.